Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will show you demo of our manual metal tube crimping machine. Basically this is a manual tube crimping machine. This is full stainless steel model. This is full SS304 make. In this machine you can manually fold this tube. I will show you in the demo and then do batch coding in the end. So this is how to operate it. I will show you. Right now the machine is not mounted with the table, so it is a little bit, it is moving, so please ignore that. So this you can see the tube crimping is done. Now we will do a batch coding.